LT is particularly cool. We've got brown exterior, brown carbon as well on the wing mirrors, you can see, and then a blue interior. Not sure that would work on paper, but actually looks really good in real life. So this is one of the wildest cars here, Lamborghini Sian Roadster, super rare, ultra exclusive hypercar. I think there's 63 of these. Green carbon fading in to that teal paint, which is nuts. Can't think how much that would have cost. Look at that, it becomes paint.